Hey there everyone, my name is Geng. Welcome to my another video. For the DIY project today, I'm gonna flip this basket to be a side table, coffee table, nightstand, whatever it is. So it's gonna be easy, affordable, but still as one of the kind. Yep. Let's jump into it. These two baskets I just thrifted and I've been keeping them a while ago. You can see the red one, I did cut the handle off already. I don't know what kind of wood of this one. But this yellowy, it is a rattan I believe. Maybe it's a willow. Or the red one is a willow, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna cut the handle, this one off. I use pruning scissors, cutting carefully, and it's better to work in small sections. I do check up a couple times to where I'm gonna cut, because it would be problem if I cut the wrong one and ruin that weave and stuff. Now the handle is gone. Then I use a box cutter to flatten it out. And I'm finishing this up with the sandpaper. So this is 12-inch round wooden chopping board. I'm gonna use it as the base of the basket. But it is obviously unfinished, so I think it's better to apply just one coat of polyurethane, as I always do. I touch up the poly to where I just cut it at the basket as well. And now I almost ran out of the daylight, so I'm gonna go it faster and let them dry overnight. So after I let them dry out, it's time to attaching the wooden board to the basket. What I'm gonna do is just basically using industrial strong bond glue, gluing down the flat side of the chopping board to the bottom of the basket. Then I'm pressing them up together and flip it over carefully. And I'm just screwing down inside the basket randomly. That's all. I know it's kinda bothering to see the screw head showing up when you're zooming that. Maybe using the black one will be better. But just keep that in mind. The screws will be disappeared when you decorate it later on. Or maybe just put down a nice round placemat over it. That would be perfect. Next I'm gonna do the same to the red basket. But this one is a little bit tricky. As you can see, it's kinda open bottom. What I do is just finding the area to screw the chopping board to these 3 dowels. So I just measure where the lines are. Then I'm just marking 3 dots on the left, middle and the right in each line and less screwing down. Now it's time to add the legs on. This is 12-inch happy legs that I'm gonna go with the red basket. So I need 3 of them and I just eyeball it where they're supposed to stay. Then I'm marking to the holes for screwing, just in case if they move away during the time when I'm working on it. For the yellow one, I'm gonna do the same process. but this time I'm using 18-inch happy legs to it. Then I end up adding a thin coat of poly to all entire of the baskets. I just need some more protection to it. So this is how it looks. I would say they look good together with a different height, and also good to separate them out in any purpose. Moving on, I don't want to underestimate you guys, but just finish this project like that. So I'm gonna sacrifice these two 1.5 inch braided nylon belts. One is a military green and the other one is a creamy beige. I'm gonna create them as a handle for the basket by cutting their buckles and the tails off. Then I'm just gluing down at the edge that I cut it and folding in. Then I'm tapping it to let it stay in place, and I'm hand sewing it up. So I'm gonna do both sides of the belt, and I'm gonna do it to the creamy one as well. This is nut and bolt with the ring that I'm gonna use for attaching the belt to the basket. So what I do is just put down the bolt with the ring on right through the belt like this. Then I'm just get it into the gap of the basket and run the nut to the other side. Not yet guys, now I'm gonna add on the cushion to the basket. So I'm gonna turn this square IKEA pillow to be the round cushion seat by easily folding all the corners in. And then I'm just sewing it up and tie the knot. And that's it. Super easy, right? This is an optional, so I'm gonna show you how to change the cushion without getting a new pillow. For example, I'm just wrapping my sandy canvas all over the pillow and then I'm just tie it up underneath. You just only get any fabric patterns you like or any scarves to cover up, or even just change another pillow, it's still easy to get one. So you can play with it in any vibes you are, in any styles or seasoning. And now we have a nice indoor-outdoor basket, coffee table and stool seat for the lovely Sunday brunch. That's a wrap guys. I hope you like it as much as I do, and I hope this could be an idea for you to create your own amazing one by yourself. See you later. Bye.